Hi, I'm Richard Fleming. I'm from XTA and MC2, and I'm at the ISE 2020 show. I'm going to tell you about the MX36 console switching system. The top of the range in this MX range of console switches is the MX36. This provides 4-bus switching and is aimed at switching and mixing between festivals and during the festival and concert season. So switching a console on and off is simply a case of pressing this button. Each of these 4-bus outputs are provided simultaneously across the Dante, AES and analog. And each one of these input sets can be either AES, Dante or analog. That means that you can connect 9 4-bus consoles across 3 formats and patch between them. You can also line check. Signals appear on the meters, signals appear on the headphones, so that's 9 4-bus consoles across 3 formats. In addition to that, you get a continuity input, which is maybe for background music or maybe for the music for ads at festivals. You've also got a microphone input for voice of God applications. That's a real simple introduction to what is basically really the benchmark front of house product, the XTA MX36 console switching system. For more information, please head over to the XTA website. Thanks for listening.